protection we have protected back cover. Okay. Type-C cable and adapter with quick charge. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera LED. On the front side display 6.5 inch. On this side power key volume case. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. We have IPS display, HD plus resolution 90 Hz display, Android 12 and launcher by Oscal. About phone we have launcher Dock OS version 3.0 and Android 12. Open tests, Geekbench 5, and talk about system information. We have CPU Unisoc Tiger T606 octa-core processor and GPU Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score and GPU test results. Close this and look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results, good results. Okay, and run the demonic game. In GTA San Andreas, look how this game works on the device on the max graphic level. Game works perfect on the max graphic level without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.